your hands together for Payne and Cellar!
Hey everyone, how's it going?
Yeah.
Today's my 27th birthday. So feel free to buy me shots after my set. I also take Venmo. Just kidding. I come from a big Jewish family with 8 kids. I'm the least favorite, which says a lot in a Jewish family when you have a sister that dates black guys and a brother that dates white ones. I'm the 3rd oldest. My dad always says the Chinese got it right. After child number 2, drown the rest. People always ask, how'd your parents raise 8 kids? The same way they mowed our lawn. Hired an immigrant. We had 3 million nannies. Not because we grew up wealthy. We went through nannies quicker than Ben Affleck. And the 8 of us weren't the problem. If I had to babysit my mother, I'd quit too. A Jewish stay-at-home mom is a double whammy. She's a kosher combo of boredom and neurosis. Like, if you get 37 missed calls from your mom, you think, oh fuck, who died? I get 37 calls because her yoga class got canceled, so she just wants to fuck up somebody else's day. My mom's here tonight. A word to the waitstaff, if she orders anything, please get it right. Everyone's ability to enjoy the show depends on it. I've seen her send back water. Loudly. Dealing with my mom is like having a retarded kid. You kind of love her, but she requires way too much attention. We're always explaining to people, she's not quite right. Only difference is, you can't put your mom up for adoption. Trust me, we've tried. Leisha's taught me to value the important things in life. Like when I got a concussion doing gymnastics, we rushed to the ER. But first, the dentist to fix my smile. When my sister was diagnosed with cancer, my mom found the best oncologist in the country. After she bought her the perfect wig. I swear, if one of us dies, she will put us in a tanning bed before the coffin. At least I'll never miss her. Even when she passes, I can just smother my face with a pillow and feel as if she's still here. Eventually, I left for college. When a girl with a helicopter mom gets a little freedom, usually ends well. My freshman schedule was missing class, partying, and waking up in the hospital. Wasn't that fun, Mom? I ran into a brick wall, 9 3/4 style for any Harry Potter fans out there. Woke up in the ER instead of Hogwarts. At least I got a new nose out of that one. And honestly, this has landed me more jobs than my diploma. I got hired as an assistant for 2 film producers. Not the Harvey Weinstein kind. I worked for 2 gays. Never even saw a casting couch. Not saying it wasn't there, I was just 10 years too old and 100% too female. Part of me feels like I missed out on this rite of passage, like I joined a fraternity but didn't go through the hazing. That ship has sailed though. Big thanks to the Me Too'ers. They ruined hella careers. And I'm not talking about Bill Cosby. I mean girls like me, who can no longer flirt their way to the top. So congrats on your settlement. I mean justice. Not sure what's been more unstable, my career path or my dating life. I look for men at nightclubs and raves. I'm not dating, I'm dumpster diving. It's clown after clown. I single-handedly sponsor the Big Apple Circus. Like, when you ask the guy you're seeing, where are we going out tonight? And he responds, babe, the link is in my bio. Or, you're on the guest list. Red flag. I am dating a guy though. This one's dating me back. He has a job, which is a nice change of pace. Or did until the layoffs. He gave me a 24-hour cancellation policy given the circumstances. I told him it was all good. Now you're really my type. Mom and Dad will be thrilled. All kidding aside, don't take time with your parents for granted. Call mom, say I love you. And if your mom is no longer with us, feel free, take mine with you. My name is Kate. Thank you so much.
Silver, everybody.